coming in.
Karen DeMille, I'm ready for my close-up.
Oh, she's ready for a close-up. Nope. Oh, look at that.
Don't hit me because I'm really, really good looking.
Look at the Swedish bone structure. Doesn't she look like me a little bit? I mean, seriously. Her teeth are whiter. I've got to do something about that.
My friend
yeah,
here.
right. The bird.
I can make her sing, I think.
In the South American way.
Very good, can't she?
That was very good, actually, you little monster. Chante alouette, alouette, chante plumerai. Chante plumerai la tête, chante plumerai la tête, et la tête, et la tête, alouette, alouette.
I'm trying. She won't learn. She's
You're cute.
willfully.
You're cute.
But she has learned a few new sounds. She's been singing along with Bill's music.
There I am, looking like...
I think he should invest in singing lessons. She might improve more quickly.
She could become a YouTube hit sensation.
I hope so. You know, we can get her to earn her wages or earn her kibble.